Oh, it's so good. Hello everyone, I'm Jody from Stay at Home Mum, and today I'm going to show you how to cook the perfect chicken gyoza. Perfect. So we use the Eastern Kitchen Chicken Gyoza. It's the most traditional Japanese tasting. It's delicious. My boys love it. We love it. It's just scrumptious, and it's like having takeout at home and on the table in just 5 minutes. And there is a surprising little trick when it comes to cooking it. Let's go and I'll show you how. First thing you want to do is to preheat your pan. So heat it on medium, give it a couple of minutes. Then you want to add your oil. So pop that in there. Give it a bit of a swish. Next is to add your gyoza, and you want to put them down flat side first. So it's always got a flat side. So pop them into your fry pan. Now you can add as many as a fry pan will fit. You can already hear them start to sizzle. Once all your gyoza are in the pan, now's the time to add the water. So just straight over the top. Then you want to pop the lid on and leave it to steam for about 4 minutes. So as you can see, all the water is steaming the gyoza, cooking them through. And then once all that water's gone, the oil then caramelizes the bottom of the gyoza, making them crispy and delicious. So the 4 minutes are up and it's perfection. They're all caramelized on the bottom. Absolutely delicious. Make sure you check out the rest of the range from Eastern Kitchen, all traditional Japanese, all delicious, absolutely scrumptious. Enjoy. You can have them with rice, soy sauce, or look, just on their own.